Okay, this is going to be the maiden of the rebuild of the Texas Quad. I have the battery sitting inside, and of course this has our CC3D controller and the Spedix 4-in-1, our new ESC. Okay, and this again is the maiden. Wanted to say too, we have these power pads also. This is 12 volt. There's another 5 volt in front, and we're going to use this in one of our upcoming videos that we're going to be installing FPV on this one. So that's what this is for, to power the FPV in the future. We're using the i6S. I have it turned on, and now I'm ready to plug it in. Okay, and we can see here that the receiver says you're hooked up. And I've checked all the props, they're tight. And again, clockwise, counter, clock, counter. Let's go try it out. I have the i6S set up a little bit different to arm the CC3D instead of, doing this number down and to the right to arm it. I'm arming it with a arm switch. Okay. There we go. We're going to go flying. Let me check. That's clockwise counter. Clockwise counter. I just thought I better. This is the maiden, again, from we just finished the build. And again, we're running a little bit under half throttle to be at this point. So we're gonna take it for a spin. And again, this is the maiden. This is a rebuild of the Texas Quad. I think this one's, what, a year and a half old or so, maybe a little bit older. When we rebuilt it, we put on a new box and we converted it to the new ESC that we're using now, the 4-in-1 Spedix. These are the same props, the same controller, same wood. It's different receiver because we're on the i6S now, using it. So it's a new receiver, new box, new ESC. They fly really good, the box quads. Like I said, if you own a few of them, You get one of these, you build it. I think you're going to find it's one of your go-tos. Just to relax, have a good time with it. Try new things. It's a really, really nice quad. And if you have an audience when you're flying it, they love the box quad. I tell you, it relates really well with kids. It's something they can relate to. It's not intimidating. And when you add your personal touches to it, it's pretty cool. It's the maiden of the box quad, the Texas quad rebuild. This is the maiden. This is Danny with QuadLugs. We'll see you soon.